Hey everybody, this is just a quick video to help you out if you have a Samsung dryer and you're getting an FE error on your dryer. What is it and how to get rid of it? So the FE error is a power supply error. So that means that the dryer is sensing that it is not getting the proper electricity that it needs in order to function. So how can we fix this? So this might be happening. One of the #1 reasons this might be happening is if you are using an extension cord from where you have it plugged in, that extension cord might not be adapted to the electrical needs of the dryer. So I would either replace the extension cord with a heavier duty extension cord, or ideally get yourself in a situation where you can plug your dryer in without needing an extension cord. It could also be if there's any kind of damage or something done to the actual power cord of the machine, or it could be if you're not using a dedicated circuit and you've got something else on that circuit that's sucking juice off. All of these things could be causing a power supply issue. But the first thing that I would make sure to do is to make sure that you're not using an extension cord, or if you are, that you're using one that's heavy duty enough to carry the power that the dryer needs in order to function. So anyways, hope this video helped you. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.